guys, happy Sunday. Welcome to Cosying Up with Essy, where we do all things DIYs, home decor and organization, hauls, drifts, tips and hacks for your home. My name is Esther and welcome back again to another interesting video. In today's DIY, I'm doing recycling DIY. So I'll be recycling bottles, these are wine bottles, and also I'm going to decorate them. So one thing is the bottles that I want to recycle, I want to cut them. So I'll be showing you how I cut my bottles and sharing my tips and hacks for the same. And then I'm going to decorate the bottles by using straws. So these are drinking straws. So you can either recycle drinking straws that have already been used, or you can also use new ones. It is up to your choice. If you're recycling drinking straws that have already been used, you need to thoroughly wash them and then let them dry first, and then now you can use them for the DIY. If you're using new straws, you just need to remove them from the papers and clear all the papers out and then use them. So I'll be showing you how I'm going to do this. I'll be using different sizes of straws, so I'll also show you how to cut the straws into different sizes and also to achieve a good effect. Then I'll spray paint the bottles and the straws as well. So guys, come along with me as I make this DIY, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see what you make as well. For our first DIY, I'm going to be using these wine bottles. These wine bottles I have different colors. As you can see, I'm just going to tie some macrame yarn or any yarn that you have around your house. So you just tie it where you want to cut the bottle. So make sure it's tight enough. That's what I'm doing. Then light up a candle. I prefer a candle, and pour some acetone. So the acetone, you're going to pour it around the yarn, and then burn the candle. So once you burn around the yarn, the acetone is going to heat up the bottle, and then once the burn cools down and there is no burn anymore, put some water, immediately cold water, so that the bottle can cut when it's hot. So I did the same for all 3 bottles. I had 3 bottles that I wanted to cut, and I'm placing the yarn in different sizes. So this is what I'm doing. When you're burning it, rotate the bottle so that you can get each and every part to burn. Now I have my 3 cut bottles. I'm just using the bottom parts. So now it's time to start the DIY. So I have my glue gun and I have these straws. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure the straws. I'm measuring using my ruler. I've measured the length. You can also measure against the bottle if you don't have a ruler. So what I wanted to have is that I wanted to have a variety of short and long straws. So I cut different sizes of straws, and now I'm gluing them down. So gluing just next to each straw and on the bottle as well. So as you continue, you remember when you're cutting the glass, it can have some sharp ends. So what you want to do is using the same glue gun, using the same hot glue, you're going to hot glue inside where on the edges of the bottle. So gluing on the edges of the bottle inside the bottle helps to reduce the sharpness of the bottle itself. So even once you have finished decorating your bottle, it's not going to cut you in any way. So my 3 bottles have different sizes. One is longer than the other one and the other one is shorter than the other one. So what I'm doing, I've already measured. I'm measuring different sizes of straws for each bottle. So this is a repetitive process. So we'll just do the same thing I have done with the first one, just hot gluing and placing the straws, as you can see. And now I have this small one. So for this small one, I want to show you another method. You can first hot glue the bottle, the upper part, the top part of the bottle, and then once it dries, you cannot be able to, it cannot cut you. So the sharp edges of the bottle are sealed, and then now you can hot glue. So for this short one, I'm just recycling now the parts that I was cutting, for the straws that I was cutting. So whatever was being left is what I'm using for this small bottle. So you can also have a small bottle so that you can reuse all the straws, the small ones and the long ones. So now I have already finished hot gluing all the 3 bottles. As you can see, once I decorate them, you won't even know which color was each bottle. So that's how you do it for colorful bottles. So I used different spray paints. I used this silver and this other color. So I really love how they turned out. It's orangish. So as you can see, I also spray painted inside. So you can see where the hot glue was. So initially the bottle was sharp, and now once it's hot glued inside, you cannot, the sharp edges are just blunt, so they cannot cut you. So this is the desired effect, and this is what I got. So you guys can also do this. So this DIY, I wanted these bottles, these decor bottles for my office space. So these ones I'm going just to place, I'm going to put some flowers and some pens. So this is just for my office table. So you can also put some makeup items on them. You can put some flowers, anything you want, because they are just decorative pieces that you can have around your house. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think and which is your best bottle. Hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't joined our DIY family yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram at CosyingUpWithEssy and on Facebook at CosyingUpWithEssy, and you can always DM me for any enquiries, or if you want me to decorate your house, any business enquiries, kindly email me at CosyingUpWithEssy@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope to see what you make, and in the comment section below, let me know what you think about cutting bottles, and if you need more information on the same. And if you like this video and you want more of these DIYs, kindly also comment down below. I'll be checking your comments as well and replying to your comments as well. In this year, we are on the road to 100k subscribers. So we are starting with 10k subscribers and then we move on. So guys, share this video if it is interesting to you, and share other videos of mine down below. You can see all the videos that I have made and all the DIYs that are interesting to you. Tag me as well on my social media pages so that also I can put a shout out for the same. So guys, let's grow the DIY family, and yeah, cheers guys, have a lovely week and see you in the next one.